$2.29.
We're going to Shakeys.
Would
you like to join us?
All you can eat. Hey, why don't you come along? Yeah, you go. Come on.
Stop.
What's wrong?
Now my muffler's hanging.
Where's it hanging?
It's hanging wrong. See, it's supposed to go on his pipe,
Uh-huh.
and it broke.
Can you get it back on there?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to do. It's pretty broke.
Looks pretty tough.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get a... Maybe I can get a better perspective here.
See, this is how it hangs.
Yeah, that's not right.
That's not right.
Especially if we're going forward and it drops down a little more, it's going to kind of buckle under.
Yeah, and that could like maybe rupture the gas tank.
Yeah, we would like blow up.
Blow up.
Maybe you should just like rip it off. What you should do?
I don't know.
We look for like a coat hanger or something?
Yeah. We should.
I don't see one. Yeah.
It's from that accident.
Well, then they should pay for it. The Shakeys, the muffler. What are you gonna try to do?
I'm going to try and cut off the piece of rubber that holds the back piece on. That is the only remaining thing holding the muffler
Okay,
on the car.
let's do it.
It hurts. See, I'm raking my knuckles on the rusty frame here.
That hurts?
That hurts.
Yeah. How your keys feel?
They hurt too. I was gonna like hit it.
Yeah, I can see the actual cutting going on right there. You're cutting, you are slowly making progress through the band there, aren't
It's
you?
a rather heavy-duty band. Obviously a band that's meant to stay.
It's a definite muffler belt there. Well, I'm thinking you're probably going to need a new one.
I'm thinking too.
Yeah, or three. That Shakeys. Take one. How's progress?
Slow.
Still continuous here. The crisis at Shakeys is he's sawing harder and harder. You can tell it's just a great knife for sawing. The smooth edge and everything.
Rust is falling in my eye sometimes, and that makes me sad.
Oh yeah. Oh, here he goes.
There's a piece that connects on the other side too.
Another thing to cut through?
Another thing to cut through.
Okay, part two.
That fucking sucks. Anymore. You think it would be easier? Sometimes I just feel so helpless. Be so typical of my life. Might be coming. Success at last.
It dropped on you.
It's success.
That's success.
Success.
Okay. Shakeys finally comes to an end. As you can see Jeff proudly carrying his catch of the day, Mr. Muffler.
I know I plan to have it mounted. After all that work, I know what I need is a good little juggle. Handy tool.
How's the car going?
The car is running well. Notice how it just feels like we've achieved something.
Yeah. Yeah, but I just feel like we've achieved something.
Air conditioning works.
Wind? Like heat.
Lighter works.
Lighter works.
Nothing quite like a good cigarette after a nice refreshing juggle.
Do you enjoy it?
I think it's the best thing I've ever done for my future. I feel good. I feel strangely calm. I feel like dancing. Won't you be my neighbor? With a video camera before